Today I will explain the strategy design pattern, which is one of the most commonly used in behavioral design pattern in Java. So the strategy design pattern allows us to define a family of algorithms, encapsulates each algorithm in separate class, and make them interchangeably at runtime. In simple terms, instead of writing multiple if else or switch statement to select a behavior, we can create a separate classes for each behavior and choose the required one dynamically. The main goal is to follow the open close principle, open for extension and closed for modification. This means we can add new algorithm without changing existing code. Problem without strategy pattern. Suppose we are developing Amazon payment system and customer can pay using UPI, credit card, net banking. Common implementation would be if payment type equals to UPI, then we can write the UPI logic. Else if payment type equals card, then here we can write the card logic. Else if payment type equals to PayPal, then we can write the PayPal logic. Initially this looks fine, but imagine tomorrow we can add PayPal, wallet, EMI, cryptocurrency, then if else becomes a larger and harder to maintain. Every new payment method requires modifying existing code, which violates the open close principle. The solution using the strategy pattern. Strategy patterns solve this problem by moving each payment algorithm into separate class. Instead of asking which payment type is selected, we simply ask which strategy object should be used. Each payment method becomes independent strategy. So here is the class diagram for our strategy design pattern. When customer reaches out the checkout page, the customer choose the payment method that should be credit card or UPI or net banking. Based on the selection, the corresponding strategy implementation is used and then payment is processed. Regardless of which strategy is selected, the final result is payment success. Notice that checkout process doesn't know how UPI or card payment works internally. It knows that every payment strategy provides pay method. So the advantages, uh, then I will explain the advantages of the strategy design pattern. It eliminates the if else and switch statement, follows open close principle by allowing new strategies without modifying existing code, enables runtime selection of algorithms, improves code reusability and maintainability, makes unit testing easier because each strategy is isolated, promotes the single responsibility principle by keeping each algorithm in its own class. And this is the code snippet. We can create the payment strategy interface, and in that we can define the pay method, and the concrete classes should be UPI payment implements payment strategy and which overrides the pay method from the payment strategy interface. Same for the other algorithm. The card payment implements the payment strategy which implements the pay method from the payment strategy. So likewise we can create the multiple classes by using this payment strategy. And yeah, this is the strategy design pattern.